This is the second video of the first video that I made for the BMW R18, and here look at the logo. It's so designed and it looks very proportionate to the shape of the fuel tank. The entire fuel tank is designed and inspired by the same 1940s BMW, and this is a very proportionate to the original design. Similarly, if you look at the handlebars, it's the foot pegs are front set foot pegs, and hence this is a cruiser where you sit a little bit backward. As you can see, the handlebars are very proportionate to the actual design and gives a very relaxed riding posture when you ride the bike on the highways. The instrument console is also inspired from the 1940s BMW, and it has a similar switch gear. Like the same switch is used for firing up the engine and turning off the bike, which is the same feature that we have in F800. But the quality, the workmanship, the craftsmanship of this bike is so good. As you can see, look at the fuel tank, this one, the fuel cap is so nicely designed. I'm pretty surprised. I mean, it's so good. The detailing is so amazing. You see this chrome here. Now every single component that you see is metal. There are very few plastic parts, I would say. I think this one is also a metal. And look at the size of these spokes. That's amazing. That's brilliant. And the headlights are very proportionate to the design, but these are LED headlamps. They're not normal headlights with the bulbs. The indicators are located here so that to give it an original 1940s style look, as well as to meet the the basic requirement, the basic traffic requirement. Here's the other side of the engine. Look at the size of these push rods. It's huge. Everything in this bike is huge. It has spoke rims, and the front rim is, I think, this is I think this is a 17-inch rim, 120 by 70 B19. But the rear wheel is a 15-inch rims with, as you can see, this is a 180 by 65 B16. It's a 16-inch rim, but the front one has a 17-inch. The rear is 16-inch. So this is a cruiser, and it gives you the overall feel of a cruiser bike when you ride. And on the seats, so soft and cushy. Here you have a BMW logo. That's called branding. And the seat is so huge. I mean, this is the biggest cruiser seat I have ever seen. Of course, why not? Because the bike is very wide, and there is a BMW branding here on the rear fender, along with these chrome indicators that look beautiful and very proportionate to the original 1940s design. So if you are looking for a cruiser and you have a huge pocket and you can afford to buy a bike for worth rupees 27 lakhs on road price in Hyderabad, I think this BMW showroom at Jubilee Hills is the best place where you can buy this kind of motorcycle that will give you value for money and forever. And if you buy a BMW, you don't just buy a BMW, you become a client, you become an exclusive client to BMW, and they treat you well whenever you bring your bike for servicing. And of course, we have a branding here. Let's see the BMW jacket. It's a very nice looking jacket. I think it's the fabric is very special. Each and every component of this bike is very exclusive, very fantastically designed, and very proportionate to the original heritage of BMW. So BMW is well known for keeping alive this heritage. If you look at the bike from here, from the rear quarter, you can see both the cylinders horizontally opposed Boxer engine, and it looks great. Look at the size of these cylinders. I mean, each cylinder is around 900 cc's. One cylinder 900 cc. So we have 1800 cc, means 900 plus 900, 1800. So if you want to make a big engine, just make big cylinders and add it to the chamber, and that's how you get it. Very proportionate, very nice, very beautiful, very beautiful. And I especially like the way this chrome plating has been done on the cylinder head. That looks amazing. It's a brilliantly crafted, very proportionate to the 1940s BMW, the pre-war models, and that's what you get. The keyhole this is for the handle lock, and this instrument console is basically a semi-digital instrument console, and you get a logo here that says Berlin built. The bike is built in Berlin. Beautiful. I thank the staff of the showroom for helping me to create this amazing video. If you like the video, please give a heads up and comment on the video and let me know what we can do best. I will definitely love to hear your feedback, and if you want to buy a BMW, get your cash and come to the showroom and buy one for you. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day ahead.